Hello all, and welcome to the tour of my new toolbox, which as you can see is an SGS Engineering's 42-inch box and roller cabinet combo, which has a total of 19 drawers and a top section. So yeah, lots and lots of space. That actually needs filling up, so it gives me an excuse to buy lots and lots of more tools. Now, just to give you an idea of the size of this, let me just roll in my old toolbox. Which, as you can see there, is a lot smaller than what I've got now. So if you're going to upgrade, focus. Yep. So if you're going to upgrade big. Right, let me just get that back out of the way. Okay, right, we're back again. Got rid of that one. Now, that red toolbox was actually filled to busting with our tools, whereas this one is practically empty. But we'll go and have a look at it anyway. We'll see what we've got. Okay, now the only modification I've done on it is this handle, which I added. That's just to ease the opening and closing of the top lid. Okay, and then in the top here we've just got a bunch of tools which, to be honest, I don't really use that often. Whoops, wrong way. Either because I just bought them to do one job, or in the case of this hacksaw, the crap. Don't cut straight, that hacksaw, load of rubbish, could do with getting a better one. Okay, so we've got this big sledgehammer, and then we've got basin tool and another basin tool, and then we got this, which it's actually for the drain plugs, for it on a sump, for on your car. Now, I bought that because my other half had a Proton at the time and had the weirdest shape slot for a drain plug when I wanted to do an oil change. In fact, that had to be cut down slightly in order to make it fit. But yeah, so anyway, right, so let's then moving on down. Now, all these drawers are down here, they're not particularly full, in fact they're practically empty. Most of them are empty, to be honest. So we've got that one which is empty, that one, so that's just got my Haynes manual for my motorbike in it. That one, it's just got my torque wrench, 3/8 inch torque wrench. Now I'm going to be upgrading, I'm going to get a 1/4 inch one and a 1/2 inch one, so I'll get a full set. And then we've got another empty drawer. Then moving on to the right, we've got that's just all my darts stuff. So flights, 3 different weights, using those ones by the way, 25 gram, but there you go. Little weights, scales even. There's a flight punch in there. I've got a selection of flights and stems. Intermediate stems is what I use, but anyway. Then we've got 24 gram, 23 gram. Anyway, you're not interested in them, but whatever. Then we've got this one, which is my drills and taps, along with a selection of hole saws and wire wheel, wire brush, centre pop and stuff. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Then we've got this drawer, which is like for cutting, measuring, testing. So we've got a multimeter, Stanley knife, continuity tester, tape measure, and a digital caliper. Okay, and then we've got a bit of a miscellaneous drawer, so just got a selection of pens, copper grease, thread lock, electrical connector block, what's that, heat shrink tubes, electrical tape, some fuses. Okay. Right, and then we're going to move on to the roller cabinet section now. And in here we've got my sockets and socket set. So as you can see, these two is actually my Halford's Advanced, I forget how many piece socket set it is, I think it was a 90 piece or something like that. Yep, and that consists of 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drives. All I've done here is I've just split the case that it came in, just took the pins out of the back, there and there, and then that splits it into 2 sections, which fits in nicely. I was going to put these with my in my spanners drawer, but you know, keep them in the tray, keeps them all together. And we've just got a selection of sockets, so you got 1/4 inch deeps there, and you got some extender bars, 3/8 there, and then we've got some 1/2 inch sockets, 1/2 inch extender bars, and a breaker bar there. And then down here we've got some spark plug sockets as well, 1/2 inch, and then we've got a brittle 1/2 inch ratchet. So yeah, not too bad. Okay, and then we'll move the next drawer down. These are my spanners. Okay, again, probably could do with a few more, but for the time being this will do. Metric ring and open end spanners there, adjustable spanner and a ratchet spanner, and then we've got some offset ring spanners there, which are, to be honest, they're a bit, can't see these lasting that long, to be fair. They were extremely cheap. Then we've got my stubby ratchets, and then we've got some Imperial spanners there, which don't know why I've got them, to be fair, because I don't think I've ever used them. Okay, and then that's just a tool for removing the bottom bracket on a bicycle, which I did. Again, one job. Then we've got this drawer, which is a selection of pliers, cutters, crimpers, wire strippers. That's a tie wrap gun, they call it, or tie wrap cutter. And obviously you've got your ratchet crimpers there, and then that's a rubber sleeve applicator. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And then we've got some mole grips, tin snips, what's that, oil filter tool, junior hacksaw, couple of hammers, a selection of files, they're just some needle files. Yeah, what's that? That's a cable lubricating tool, some needle punches and a set square. So that's that one. I do believe this drawer's empty. Yes it is. And then the bottom drawer, that's just got my cordless drill in it. Which is pretty good, to be fair. It's not a bad little drill, that. Okay, then we move on to this side. We've got the screwdrivers. So we've got flatheads on the left and Phillips posi drives on the right. Same again there, Phillips and posi drives on the right, flatheads on the left. Probably could do with a few more, but again, that's sufficient. Okay, now in this one we've got a selection of hex keys, Allen keys, Torx, bit set, bunch of hex keys in that one, T-bar handle hex keys, and then a full selection of nut runners ranging from 4mm up to, I think that's for 13mm, that one. And then this, that's just a bunch of hex keys in there. Next drawer down, oh, empty. And then the next one after that, that's just all miscellaneous rubbish. Stickers, if you like your fast bite magazines. Years old them. Then obviously we've just got a selection of crimps, washers and screws in there, puncture repair kit, darts boxes, yeah, just basically miscellaneous rubbish. And then the final drawer, we've just got a selection of ratchet straps, safety gloves and safety glasses, and a random can of compressed air. Okay, right, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, okay, see you later, bye.